An important piece to the home buying process is homeowners insurance, and today's guest has great information for you. Joining us in studio is Gene Hendrickson with the Craft Agency. Gene, thanks for being here.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Yes, introduce yourself to any viewers who haven't met you.
Yeah, so my name's Gene Hendrickson. I'm a Jackson native, graduated from Lumen Christi in 2020. I've been in the insurance industry for about 2 years now. I owned an agency up in Grand Rapids with Farm Bureau, and I just joined the Craft Agency in October. So it's been very exciting, and the Craft Agency has been around for 100 years.
Yeah, and you offer a little bit more than homeowners insurance, I know there. But given that we're a home and real estate show, we'll kind of focus on homeowners insurance today.
Sounds good.
Yeah. So I know a lot of folks have been talking about insurance rates rising. Maybe you could talk us through a little bit of why our homeowners insurance has been going up.
Yeah, so there's a couple different factors there. So firstly, in the past several years, we've had a lot of big storms that have come through Michigan, more than I guess we've typically had in the past. So, with claims going up, that's a factor. And then, another thing is the price of building materials and labor has gone up too. So that's definitely affected homeowners' rates.
Right. I can't believe the amount of storms that we've had over the last couple of years. It is really high. And definitely it should impact our homeowners insurance because we're making more claims than ever. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I think you've probably got some great tips for us on how we can keep those rates down, right?
Yeah, so there's definitely a couple things that we can do. So a big factor in insurance rates is an insurance score. So kind of like you have a credit score, by boosting your insurance score, that can help you save on rates. Some ways to do that would be, not switching carriers a ton, try to keep good payment history, stuff like that. So yeah, those are definitely, and claims history. So.
Right, absolutely. And then talk to us about bundling. Again, you do offer some other insurance services and there can be some discounts with that?
Yeah, for sure. So kind of like, you see on TV, bundle and save. It is true. So, by having more policies with one company, you can save quite a bit of money that way. So, with our carriers, you can do home, auto, life, and an umbrella policy to maximize your discounts there.
Right. And also I know that you're an independent agency and so you can offer some custom fit solutions for folks there, right?
Yeah, for sure. So as an independent agency, we shop around for our clients with around 8 different carriers. So we're able to find a carrier that's best fit for everybody. And, also with, today's environment with, not only rates going up, but, coverage options being altered by, some carriers, we're able to talk with the client and determine what carrier is going to be the best fit for them and how much risk they're willing to take on.
Right. Yeah, I love that. I think everyone's kind of looking for that custom experience for their needs. And then you also talked a little bit about life insurance, tying that in with the homeowners insurance. Yeah,
definitely. So, kind of a big thing with, owning a home is you have the mortgage. And life insurance is a big part of that because, if you or your spouse, God forbid, die, you don't want to have to move out of your home. So you want to make sure that you have protection on each other. So if God forbid something bad were to happen, you guys would be able to pay off your mortgage. So getting that through, from a life insurance carrier is better than getting it through the mortgage company with a decreasing death benefit, when you could have one with a level death benefit and customize it to your needs.
Yeah, I don't think that's something everyone thinks about, so that's good that you've got some options in that department.
Yeah.
And then let's just talk for a moment to someone who's maybe buying their first home. This whole process is new to them. They'll probably have a lot of questions for you. If someone was making an offer on their first home, when would you suggest that they reach out to you?
Yeah, 100%. I'd say, we'd like to get in front of that as soon as possible. So, a good time for us is once you get an accepted offer on your home, just get with us so we can get the quote process started for you. And we have time to work with your lenders and get them everything they need in time so your closing's not pushed back.
Right, definitely. And so you can walk them through all the different options available.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is great information for the viewers.
Mm-hmm.
If they'd like to get in touch, how can they reach you?
Yeah, so you can call the Craft Agency at 517-787-0077 and ask for Gene. Or you can email me. My email's gmh@craftagency.com.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Gene.
Yeah, thank you, Amy.
Yes. Reach out to the Craft Agency today to discuss homeowners insurance options for you.